How to set up a cPanel email account with Outlook 2019. This tutorial assumes that you already have a cPanel email account. Go and click on the icon of Outlook to open it. Click on File in the top left corner and then, inside Info, click on the Add Account button. Now enter your cPanel email address and click on the Connect button. Here you can select IMAP or POP3 connection type for the configuration of your email account. You can configure it as POP3 or IMAP only if your email account supports that particular connection type. Now to select IMAP, click on IMAP. Enter your incoming mail server address and the IMAP port number. Click to open the drop-down list and select the appropriate encryption method. For non-SSL encryption, port numbers are different. Click to check the box for secure password authentication. Enter your outgoing mail server address and the SMTP port number. Click to open the drop-down list and select the appropriate encryption method, then check the box for secure password authentication. Now click on the Next button. Here enter the password of your email account and click on the Connect button. The account is added. Now click on the Done button. Now you can access your inbox and manage your mail account from here. Thank you for watching.